everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these mac and cheese burgers. I'm so happy with how these came out. They look and taste delicious and I'm really excited to show you guys how to make them, so let's get started with the video. Begin by prepping your ingredients. Cut some slices of a tomato. Shred some lettuce. Cut slices of a red onion. Then shred mild cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and Parmesan cheese. In a large pot of water, add salt. Bring the large pot of water to a boil and then add 1 pound of macaroni noodles. Boil the noodles for however long it says to on the box. Once your noodles have finished cooking, drain them and set them to the side. In a large pot over medium heat, add 6 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, gradually add 1/4 cup of flour. Whisk the flour and butter together for about 1 minute. Then gradually add 3 cups of half and half. After you've added your milk, your mixture should become thick. Once it's thick, add 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then add 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese, 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Once you've added your cheeses, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, some white pepper, and a dash of nutmeg. Mix everything together until well combined. Next, add your macaroni noodles. I added a bit of cayenne pepper and paprika at the last minute. This part's totally optional though. When you finish making your mac and cheese, set it to the side. After my mac and cheese cooled a bit, I added some more cheese just because I thought it would make it even more cheesy when you fry it. Place some of your mac and cheese into a circular cookie cutter to shape it. Make sure your cookie cutter is the same size as your bun or patty. Press your mac and cheese down and smooth it out, then gently remove the cookie cutter from the mac and cheese. Then just repeat that process and make as many as you'd like. When you're finished, place your mac and cheese in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. Next, crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Then beat the eggs until smooth. Then, pour flour onto a plate or in a dish. Do the same thing with the Panko breadcrumbs. Pour them in a dish or on a plate. Before we start coating our mac and cheese, add oil into a pot over medium heat. It's best to heat up your oil beforehand because it does take a while. Now we can begin coating our mac and cheese. After you've taken your mac and cheese out of the freezer, coat it in the flour. Then in the eggs. And finally in the Panko breadcrumbs. Then set your mac and cheese to the side. Repeat this process until you've coated all of your mac and cheese. Once you finish coating your mac and cheese, you can begin frying them. Your oil should be around 350 degrees. Fry your mac and cheese for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once your mac and cheese is golden brown, take it out of the pot and place it on a wire rack or a paper towel covered plate. Repeat this process with the rest of your mac and cheese. Now that we've finished frying our mac and cheese, we're going to move on and cook our patties. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt or regular salt, a half a tablespoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your seasonings to the side. Next, take some ground meat and shape it to be the same size as your fried mac and cheese. Since your burger will shrink a bit when you cook it, make it a bit bigger when you're shaping it. Using the same cookie cutter that you used for your mac and cheese should help you shape your burger as well. When you're finished, shape the rest of your burger patties. When you finish shaping your burger patties, season them. When you've finished, you can begin cooking them. In a pan or iron skillet over medium heat, add your burger patty. Then, season and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that time, flip your burger and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. When your burger has finished cooking, take it out of the pan and repeat this process with the rest of your burgers. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add some butter. Once the butter is melted, add your buns. I'm using brioche buns. Toast your buns until they are golden brown. Then remove them from the pan. This part is optional, but you could also make a cheese sauce to go with your burger. In a pot over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, gradually add 2 tablespoons of flour. Then gradually add 1 cup of half and half. Once your mixture has become thick, add 1 cup of cheddar cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything together until well combined, and then you are finished. Now that we've finally finished making everything, we can now assemble our burger. After making the first burger, I made a second burger using the mac and cheese as the buns. After assembling both burgers, I added some fries onto the plate. I almost forgot to add the cheese sauce onto my burger. And this is the finished result. The burgers came out great. They smelled good, they looked good, they tasted good. It was all good. I'm so proud of these freaking burgers! The burgers came out huge, which made it kind of difficult to eat. Plus, since they were so big, I could only eat half of it. This was totally worth the time it took to make these. I've always liked the mac and cheese burger from the Cheesecake Factory, so I was really excited to make this. However, this is definitely a once every blue moon kind of thing. You definitely can't make something like this all the time. I would definitely make this again though. Oh, and this is what the burgers look like when you split them in half. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!